Do you want to be an Amazon expert? Well, the first thing that you need to do is you need to stay up to date with Amazon's newest policies. This is what all of the experts do, and I'm going to be showing you ways that I personally stay up with Amazon's policy updates, news, changes, and everything in between. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group. We're a multi-million-dollar Amazon consulting firm. Let's dive into today's video. The first place that you're going to check out is the news panel. Now, this is the best, the most important tool that you're going to use to stay up to date with Amazon's policies. You need to log into Amazon Seller Central, and then you're going to see, boop, news right here. Click read more, and you're going to see all of Amazon's news, recent updates, and everything in between. This is going to cover around 90% of Amazon's updates. The other 10% is find and see, meaning that Amazon doesn't update you on some things. You have to figure them out yourself. But if you stay up to date on 90%, you're going to be ahead of the game. Instant replacements are available for Amazon seller fulfilled returns. Starting February 12th, which is right now it's the 17th, buyers will be able to request an instant replacement for items sent using the prepaid return label program. This is an awesome program, and if you don't know about it, then you're behind. And it's crazy that a lot of these updates are not even talked about until a month later. Images from multiple selling partners to be displayed on product pages. You can click on this and you can see what it's about, and you can see it's tagged under policies. Now, this is the best way to stay up to date. What a lot of YouTube people do, Junglescout, Helium 10, is they're gonna review this news and then they're gonna make a blog or a video about it. So this is where they're finding out Amazon's latest news. They don't have some type of internal source. They're reading the forums. They're looking at the news that Amazon is providing to you as a seller. Tip number 2 is if you have access to the brand announcement panel, there's also a brand announcement panel right here, and these are just other tips to help you improve your brand. You can see that there's been an update on 2023, 2024, simultaneously run experiments, A to B tests at the same time. All of these can help you improve your brand, your listings, and stay ahead. And I remember that when Amazon came out with the new advertising option to have a video ad, everybody was going crazy. And the first person that figured it out and was able to run the video ad first had an extremely low ACoS, and their sales were skyrocketing. So if you find an Amazon policy, usually you have around 30 days, sometimes even more, to dominate the competition if you're the first one that does it and starts on the new tool. Tip number 3 is to look at seller forms. You can read more, you can look at the seller forms. The seller forms are more of complaints from other Amazon sellers, but it's great to stay up to date and to understand how Amazon works, especially if you're an agency or if you're a large seller. You want to know, what are the other Amazon sellers saying? What problems are they running into? So you just click that button, go to discussions, and you're going to see a lot of the latest discussions. Look, this has 91 votes, 1 down vote, 56 replies. Why, with little to no support, why would we invest in growing our business on Amazon? That's a good question, and you can see what they're saying. They're even tagging a moderator, and a moderator is somebody that works at Amazon. They're actually going to review this form, and they may respond. This is actually from a moderator as well. Customer request, I cancel the order, then leaves 1 star. So they canceled an order, and then the customer left a 1 star saying they didn't receive the item, right? But they already canceled it, so can they get the review removed? 47 upvotes, no downvotes, 46 replies. Let's see if they can get their review removed. This is a great way to stay up to date with other seller questions and concerns. And this helps you fill in that other 10% gap that I talked about of learning of announcements that Amazon doesn't make on their policies. Real quick, if you like this video, please drop a like and subscribe. Right now, we are a small YouTube company, and we want to expand our YouTube presence. The more likes and subscribe that I get, the more of the ability I can to hire more people on my team, launch new videos, write more scripts. That way I can provide you with A1 content just as fast as Amazon provides updates and news to sellers. Let's dive into the next one, which is going to be Junglescout. Junglescout's Instagram is something that I look at on a weekly basis. All of these things that I'm telling you about, you should be looking at on a weekly basis. That's my recommendation. Once a week, every Saturday, you just plug in, at least look at the buyer news. But Junglescout also stays up to date. If you're scrolling on Instagram, they're a great account to review because look, they're giving you your seller alerts as well. So they're just reminding you, giving you different seller alerts, giving you different updates and everything in between. So seller alert, as of February 12th, 2024, buyers can instantly replace items using the prepaid return label program. So they're giving you updates, they're giving you seller alerts, they're giving you tips, they're giving you special meetings in Orlando that you can actually meet up and see other Amazon sellers. Junglescout's Instagram in particular is a great area to stay up to date. And then finally, the final tip is going to be doing your own research and following people on YouTube that are posting on a regular basis. You want to make sure that they're Amazon sellers, they're experts in their industry, and they're posting Amazon updates or Amazon news or things that can help your Amazon listing on a regular basis, just like EHP does. Some people post once a month, that's usually not enough. You want to find somebody that's posting on a regular basis, at least once a week, 3 times a week, even more than that if possible. Feel free to follow EHP Consulting Group. And if you need help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. We'll do a free audit for you. If you want to create your own invention, we have contacts in China and in the US, and they can create anything that you can imagine. Contact us today. Have a good one.